I'm Tim.
And I'm Jenna.
And welcome to Tim and Venna Adventures.
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Tim and Venna Adventures. Today we have a very special announcement. Venna and I have been doing this vlog for 2 years, and it's of course it's very hard work to do a YouTube vlog like this, but especially for Venna because she's been doing all the heavy lifting in the background. She's been doing the editing, the thumbnails, all the stuff you're seeing is actually the vast majority of it is Venna's work. I've been co-hosting the vlog, but Venna is really like the hero in Tim and Venna Adventures. So I'm really so proud of you, of course. And
It's our vlog. It's Tim and Venna
it is of course our vlog, but I think you're the one who's like really putting a lot of work into the vlog. So we have an announcement. Just the other day in the mail, we got a black parcel from YouTube. So let's see what it is.
Yeah, so we got this one.
What is that? What is that?
It's a silver play button.
Oh.
We want to say thank you so much, guys, for supporting, watching us, and of course, to subscribe.
Yeah.
For subscribing in our channel. So it's really a big achievement that for us, and
Yeah.
of course a big challenge because it's really hard to get 100,000 followers in YouTube.
Yeah.
So yes, let's open this one.
Let's open it.
Oops.
There you go. Wow.
So here you go. It's the letter from YouTube.
So nice.
And there you go. Presented to Tim and Venna Adventures for passing 100,000 subscribers.
There it is. Wow, it's really just looking at this one, right? It's really a beautiful award here, and it's a funny thing going on with the mirror there, but it's made of this kind of like brush steel kind of thing, and then it's almost like there's kind of a mirror there in the middle, right? And of course, it's the famous YouTube logo there, the play button here. So yeah, we're really so happy to have reached this milestone, and of course, the next milestone is 1 million followers, 1 million subscribers.
But I think
I think it'll probably take more than maybe a couple of months to reach that.
No,
But you just
we're
have to
joking.
make sure that your friends and family subscribe as well. So if all of you just talk to 100 people, then boom, we got the 1 million already, right?
But anyway, guys, so before we get this, of course, we need to have a 100,000 subscribers,
Yeah.
and YouTube will review your channel. So what I did is I emailed YouTube and I let them know that we passed already the 100,000 subscribers, and they emailed me back. They messaged me back that they need to review our channel. So actually, they reviewed channels right like days, weeks, or 30 days. So they reviewed our channel in a few days. Then after that, they message us. So they put like link there, or actually in your dashboard, in the top of it, you can just click it there because there's also a message there, and then they will send you a code, and you just put it there on in that link, the code, and then you will process your button, and you just put there your address. But please be careful to put your address because
Yeah,
you should put properly your address. So, and of course your name, you'll just put it there.
Yeah.
That they need to the name that they will put it here.
Yeah.
So that's it. Anyway, you can just comment down below if you don't know how to claim your silver play button. You can just comment down below, then we will help you. Or just message us in Instagram, or if you don't understand what I'm saying right now. But anyway, I'm just going to put in our here or
Yeah,
there,
yeah.
some of
Yeah.
the steps that, or the guide that you can just follow when you want to claim your.
Yeah. And thank you so much for all our loyal subscribers. Of course, we would never reach this milestone without your help. And just so excited, and have a great weekend ahead, everyone.
Yeah, so actually, guys, I thought that we can't got this because Tim is super busy at work, and of course I'm a mom now, so it's really hard to vlogs or to follow those new videos that you want us to react. And but Tim is the one who's pushing me that, oh, we can do
Yeah,
this, just
of
vlog for
course.
like a few minutes, then
Go for it.
yes. So thank you so much again for supporting us. And anyway, if you notice that we didn't vlog for a few days,
Been traveling
we're traveling, so we just got back from
to our
Denmark.
studio. Back to our studio.
So as you can see, we have our clear and nice studio right
Yeah.
now. So, and of course that a lot of people are doing reactions right now. So of course some of the viewers, they have their favorites, but we will try our best to make it different so that you guys will like us more. So once again, thank you so much. This is Tim and Vena Adventures saying we love you and thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you guys. This is not for us only, but this is for you too.
Thank you.
I'm Tim,
And I'm Jenna.
and welcome to Tim and Benna Adventures.
Woo!